Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Manchumo rigereria na gukwandire andonsi asore mbemo na soko choregeta seni kiago gien Soko TV ha sobot koboiga we 15 motinyo 11 mwaka oyiga bwechire bubere 25 kurwa sobo gatagati bo mocho Nairobi asensi ya Kenya chinsa nisa tuchia bono botuko na senchira bene ngo kwariga semesa yama yakuru Soko chinsa isato nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri baga ria bakombata sekoro ase studio ya kabere twa kwariga ndina to gusabire karanseke obe na intu kurbono goika omwerio emesema yakuru Soko chinsa isato achakira bono. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigerea nyoraba yona boko bwati mesaiga ya mayakuru Soko chinsa isato koetera se mitandao ito yekerero ya Facebook, YouTube na boigo TikTok. Togo chakana roboti roko bwati asomora wense ya Kenya omoske William Ruto hanyara ko baga kumerana negati ya barai na boiga bana inchi kurwa sense moya ukambani asenyombenke yobora yase county ya Kitui haiga no mora wense ira ribaga yokoraria emiroberio ya serikali na kuendera kuruko boria gocha sabara ina boiga bana inchi kurwa chinsemo au kubwate sia serikali ya Kenya kwanza unenchire moyo gochia konekia obomo hegati ya barai na boiga magendro se chinsemo chonsi.
Nyinyi ndio kuamua kama Kenya itasonga mbele, nyinyi ndio mtasongesha mbele. Ama namna gani? Na ni jukumu letu kama viongozi tuwaeleze vile Kenya inaweza kutoka hapa ifike pale. Nyinyi mumeona what we have done. If you look at what we have done with housing, very small money. Today we have contracts of 600 billion and Kenya is changing. If we continue with housing the way it is going, every city in Kenya, every big town in Kenya, ukienda Kisumu, wende Migori, wende Kapsabet, wende Eldoret, ukuje Nakuru, wende Baringo, ukuje Kitui hii, wende kule Makueni, usimame Machakos. Machakos, by the way, from January, we are doing another 5,000 units pale kwa hiyo city yenu. Wende Mombasa, wende Mandera, Garissa, the largest housing development today ni affordable housing.
Hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa sio kwa maneno, itabadilishwa kwa matendo. Ya pili, hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa sio kwa maneno ya kuleta mchemko wa mambo ya kiukabila. Hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa na utaifa.
Na kushukuru sana Mheshimiwa Rais pia kwa maendeleo ambayo umetuletea hapa. Wewe unafanya maendeleo sana. Na jambo limenifurahisha sana ni kwamba unafanya maendeleo kwa njia ya upesi sana. Ile mtindo wetu tunasema ya chap chap. Barabara inaanza inamalizika upesi, mambo yanaendelea vizuri.
Tutam ya watu ama group ya viongozi ambao wako na sera, wako na mpango. Na nilisikia mlisema pia wako na akili ya maendeleo na kazi ya Wakenya. Ni nyinyi mlisema hivyo? Nyinyi ndio mmesema mnataka viongozi wako na akili ya maendeleo. Na Mheshimiwa Rais, nikushukuru sababu umeamua hakuna sehemu ya Kenya
Wanchomo rigerea togos kabosio muraiwe kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo aeso kire na komocha chinkwana chumuraibwense echanya takoba gakurwa hasa matuko abwango igase taria ya magendra sensemeyo ase abaragete ekiara ababwatani bensemeria yo kwameria serikali hunati babwati meroberio yogochia kora serikali aseba no Musike Kalonzo haborire obotwero nabwega maskani asegatie barai bage siasa ekerensia ya Kenya he roberitia kwenekyo bochorio bonne bolibosi umwaka bwechiri bubere 25 nibere.
Mimi ukawa unasema mimi ni mjinga. Huenda ikawa ikiwa ni mambo ya kuua vijana wetu majenzi, mimi siwezi kuwaua. Kwa hivyo mimi ni mjinga, sasa siwezi kuwaua. Kama ni kufilisisha nchi, kama ni kufilisisha nchi kwa ufisadi wa hali ya juu, mimi ni mjinga kweli, siwezi kufanya hivyo.
Wakati wa kudharau Wakamba umeisha. Hauwezi kuja hapa Ukambani, unakuja unatudharaulia baba yetu. Number one, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka alikuwa Vice President wa Republic ya Kenya. Ni kiongozi anaheshimika Kenya na dunia yote mzima. Hata watu wa dunia wanashangaa ukisema ati Kalonzo hana.
Tuguska bosio mwanjumo rigereria bosio bobo chorio boke uburobirie kwene kwa mweri obumotionyo iga ase chinsemo au niko bono abarai kurase county ya Embu hanemo na sobo chorio boke bwekero kyo bojumbe nsemo ya mbere no tuburobirie ko chia kwene kiwa niko masana tobwe county yo aesokirie na komochia omorai bwekia magia DCP oyiboigo kabiro mora omokonyi bomorai bwense omokoro aso kwene kia siasa chukubaga abana inchi na bwego chukuboria omoremba sasa birobo toreru bosio bobo chorio bo.
Mr. Gachagua, tulikupembeleza, tulikuomba, tukiwa masenators, tukiwa leaders wa Mount Kenya, na hukutusikia. Kwa hiyo wachana na hii serikali ya William Ruto, kwa hii kipindi membakia, kwa sababu tulikuimpeach, unavaa ukae nyumbani, umalize miaka yako 10, kwa sababu tunajua hata kiti yoyote, hata kiti ya cattle drip, uwezi pata, na unaenda ukindanganya watu, mambo ya mlima ni wako. Angalia unatupotosa kwa sababu agenda yetu sio mambo ya viti. Saa hii nataka nikukumbushe Mount Kenya miaka yote sisi tukiwa Mount Kenya East tumekuwa tukipeana kura kwa mlima na utakupeana imekuwa ni shinda. Kwa hiyo nakuomba ukome
Tuguska bosio mwanjumo rigereria abarai annemono bage siasa nigo baburigo kwene kiabuna nkuru abara maskani ochiasa barai au bechi kanisa niga gocha maiga ya matukabwango iga abarai bechi kanisa korokana komochia bororo eserikali na anemo nasugo ikirane obokora riborobuya ochiasa bananchi abarai nse yobo moboko ameria serikali nigo bari ko yakwana iga asumo iga boko bekero egutwa koba omorandi komo osubati bose omurugi boyo kabero mokonyi bomorai bwense ya Kenya Dorcas Rigathi ase abarai abo basabira maskani aigwe ochiasa chikanisa na wega abarai babo bunenchira yamo yogochia konekia omorembe ase ense.
Something tremendous has happened today with your ordination. We congratulate you and celebrate you, and also remind this family that the God of the mountain is still God in the valley.
The whole of this week, we have listened very carefully to how the clergy have addressed public issues in this country. My personal experience is that I've interacted with some of these wonderful people here, and I normally tell people, for us in the secular world, these are very dangerous people, because we are going to look for votes from all these people. These ones are ordained by God, and when they speak, we had better listen.
When the ordaining bishop spoke to the reverend after ordaining her, and he said, you have been called to a high office. There can be no greater calling, and there can be no greater master that you have been called to serve. And you should serve with honor and dignity.
The honor that she's being bestowed today is very gratifying to my family, because we have seen her work and work hard. This great woman of God, when we were in office, was so passionate about the boy child. I saw very little of her. I would go to work, she would go to work, we meet in the evening. Sometimes she finds me asleep. And when she woke up in the morning, she was just talking about the boy child. Our humiliating exit in office has been very pleasant to us, because we have moved on and we are happier people.
This is not work for one person. This is the work of the body of Christ. So when you see us sitting here and wearing our regalia, where we say God reigns in Kenya, we are saying God reigns in Kenya.
Togo tigana na yo asiasa Mwanchumo rigeria obomo babanyagitari betugo nigo bono baesokire na gukwandro kubwatira na kwabo amone serikali eligo chiago chakia omoroberio bokwena na obobweni ase chitugo ao haiga Kenya sebaburirie habaremi na boigo abatugi kwesokia na kubwatira na nekiombe kyobunenchire moyogo chigokora amaroire egati yetugo bunenchire moyogo chia gokinia rigesa.
We've gathered here today to have this multi-stakeholder meeting, which is bringing together participants who are involved in ruminant vaccination. And the reason we are here today is to look at how we can raise the national ruminant vaccination rate. The government of Kenya has already set some very ambitious targets, and they've shown strong leadership in the proclamation that was given about a year ago of vaccinating 22 million cattle and 50 million sheep and goats. So as government, we are here to support this initiative, and we are calling for collaboration across all parties, across all stakeholders, because we know this is a very important campaign, and no one organization would be able to achieve this ambitious goal without collaborating with other partners. We are calling on the private sector, the government, and anyone else who's involved in international development in the animal health sector, in the livestock sector, to come together to see how we can support this very important initiative. We know very much that livestock are a backbone of Kenya's economy, and we would like to support this very important venture.
KVA, that is Kenya Veterinary Association, we are in partnership with the government and the DVS to deliver the ruminant vaccination across the country.
Some of the countries that we had initially we have not been able to access the markets that actually we lost, and therefore that's why this meeting is very, very important. Without it, I'm very sure that whatever we are trying to do, because right now we are running a program of vaccination that is led by the executive for specifically 2 diseases, that is foot and mouth and PPR.
Manchomo rigereria bono kogwa kirambia mana soko sangana intu ase amaya kurende turakora tukure na sense moya kabere nkomanya ne kikura sense moya chigosori. Manchomo rigereria hekiombe hekamogeta ya serikali nigo giesokire na guruko boria gochiase abananchi hande mono abasae wesokia sobongo mweri bomotenyo gase getigie chigosori Kenyayo somocho Nairobi burenchiremo yokubwatokirwa obosemia na bwigo boringoria bwabosa semero birega ndatoko beko yokwenekia una oboroire bwenyamoreo ngokeiwa bore hande mono hasekegoria kyo kyabasae.
HIV infections in adults by the year 2030. We were joined by the PS. Dr. Omar Luga was here with us earlier, and he launched this process. So we welcome Kenyans from all walks of life. On the 30th, we will have the national commemoration at Nyayo National Stadium, and that national commemoration will be an event for all people, for all for all ages and all people of all walks of life. We'll have a 2-kilometer race, which is a family run for families to come and walk or run or race towards the goal of ending AIDS as a public health threat. We'll have a race also for people with disability. It will be a 10-kilometer competitive race. We'll also have a 5-kilometer run for those of us who cannot do the 10 kilometers, and as well we'll have the 21.5 kilometers, which is the half marathon. Today also we are joined by the representatives from the Athletics Kenya, who have enabled us to measure the distance and draw the route map, because they're the ones who are entitled to do so, and they already made a presentation. Last year we had a very good turnout. We had about 7,000, and this year we are aiming at least 10,000 participants. And we'll have activities for those who cannot run. We'll also have activities within the field, activities for keeping fit, Zumba. We'll have activities for yoga. We'll have activities for the children. We'll have a children village. You saw Akili TV here with us, so they are also, preparing for us a village for the very young people and pre-teens and teenagers. We also have a youth village, where we are partnering with the AIDS Healthcare Foundation to have a youth village where our young people can also enjoy. We also having a medical camp On that day, we'll be screening and treating common morbidities which are prevalent in this city. And we are doing this in all of society, all of government approach, because several government agents have come together with the private and the non-state actors to make.
Toskabosyo mwanchumo rigari yabune nchire mo yokogendra gukinia ebiegwa hasigati yabana abake hande mona se chigosori chumo pira bwa magoro nigo county ya Machakos ya enekire guchakwa bene kwe eligi ye egosori yo mopiro yo ase county ya se chitimu gwetane 40 chiari gandire gochia ko enekia egosori yo bune nchire mo yokokendra gukinia ebiegwa hasigati yabana nande mono chingake chiga barenka somutimo koiga omotambe bwerusa.
We have begun the FKF Youth Elite League officially with under 13, under 15 and under 17, which is happening at Machakos Showground, and the rest is happening here at Kenyatta Stadium, Machakos. The reason why we have begun this league is to really identify and nurture talents right from grassroots, right from the right age. And I want to thank the coaches, I want to thank the parents for giving their children permission to come and showcase their talents.
Ni watoi nimeanza na wao sasa ni mwaka ya pili. Ni watoi wamekuwa wakijikaza sana, wanapenda kucheza ball. So tumeona tuwapatie hiyo platform wajirekebishe kimakosa, tuwarekebishe pia. Alafu tuone mali tutapeleka hiyo talanta yao.
Every kick, every pass, every goal is a score to our young ones. And at the end of the day, we love a success story of having young referees, young coaches, and young TMs. And they all come from these boys and girls. So parents is very important. We encourage this. And through our Excellency, Governor Vinya, he has encouraged us to make sure we pull up and make sure we put our kids on tours, especially now we are on vacation.
Nachezea Kataloni FC. Today tulikuwa na game mbili. Ya kwanza ilikuwa Kataloni versus Olympus. Tumetoka 2-0. And the second game we had with Vatican tumetoka 1-0.
I'm a player from Mbuni Express Soccer Academy located in Machakos. We have come here today to nurture our skills and to develop our talents. Today we've played 5 games in each category, in all categories combined.
Manchumurigari yago notuikira omwerio bwaya enekiwe ase eikendi iga ritukeriga ria sabato ria Jumamosi ri 15 somutinyo 11 mwaka yiga 2025 nje nkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseribaga ria Felistas Kabendi director Zaki Kenya na bigo Joshua Nyauma haba enekire nkubwatira na tore gokomanya ase nchirengia togosabero tware eikendi engia obotukobuya na bigo gendere kwegokia nemero biregendrete ase embeo yen Soko TV nyasaika wanchanande tuomerane ankyo itukoria Jumapili asemesa ya Mayakoro Nsoko ensa eyamo na boigo chinsa isatokorenda saboniga bye bye.